Okay, question 1. The question is, use Excel spreadsheet to find all the roots of fx equals to 2 exponent power of x minus 2x minus 3 using bisection method. Choose the appropriate initial guesses by plotting graph of fx to determine the correct interval where the root located. This is the graph of fx equals to 2 exponent power of x minus 2x minus 3. There are two roots exist in this function which are between -2, -1, 0, 1. By using the bisection method, stop the iteration when fc less than 0.005. First, we find the root between -2, -1. We can see in the table, there are 7 columns which are column I, column A, column C, column B, column FA, column FC, column FB. We can see in the table, we stop the iteration until I equals to 6 because FC equals to -0.00416. That satisfies FC less than 0.005. Since FC6 equals to -0.00416 less than 0.005, so the root of 2 exponent power of x minus 2x minus 3 in between -2, -1 is approximate to -1.1953. Next, find the root between 0, 1. For the root between 0, 1, we stop the iteration until I equals to 5 because FC equals to 0.004618. That satisfies FC less than 0.005. Since FC5 less than 0.005, so the root of 2 exponent power of x minus 2x minus 3 in between 0, 1 is approximate to 0.8594.
For set B, we choose to answer questions 2. In this question, we need to use Excel spreadsheet and suitable method from system of linear equation to determine the number of transistor, resistor and computer chip to be manufactured this week. For the solution, we take out the numbers from the question and make it into a matrix form. For this question, our group choose to solve it using Gauss elimination method. So, we solve the question in the Excel using Gauss elimination method. In the end, we got 3 equations of x, y, and z. So, we solve the equations until we got the value of x, y, and z. The answer we got from the equation is x equal to 120, y equal to 100, and z equal to 90. So, the number of transistors is 120, resistor is 100, and computer chips is 90 to be manufactured this week.
For set C, question 1, given the data x and fx, use MATLAB or Excel spreadsheet to calculate using A, Newton's polynomial, and B, Lagrange polynomial.
For the solution, we will enter this coding using MATLAB and we will get the output.
So we will get the output like this, and the approximate value at given data point is 7.2467.
For question 1b, we also using MATLAB, so we enter this coding using MATLAB to get the output.
So we get the output like this, and we substitute x equal to 3.4 and we get the answer 4.8248.
For the set D, we choose a question 2, which is we have to use MATLAB to develop a plot of cubic spline fit of the data with a not end condition and piecewise cubic harmonic interpolation. In both cases, we create a plot comparing the fit with the fifth order polynomial. This is solution for a not end condition using the MATLAB. And we get a graph like this after we run into the MATLAB. This is for a solution of piecewise cubic harmonic interpolation. We use this coding when run into the MATLAB. This is the graph that when we run into the MATLAB, and it shows a purple line as a fs, green line as a b, and red line as a a. With that graph, the result is using the piecewise cubic harmonic interpolation that's accurate as the overshot.